Hey Jason, I am getting started on freeze drying and showing you what it looks like. There's 4 trays that will go into the freeze dryer, and there's 2 of them over there. But I'm taking paper towels right now and taking as much moisture off. To give you an idea, all the ones I've already used. Go through quite a bit of paper towels doing this. But this is all the pork chops that were in the cooler. So I'm going to freeze dry all the pork chops in one go. And then looks like I'll probably get about 2.5, maybe 3 trays. If it's less than 4 trays, I'm going to see if I can't take one of these other cuts of meat. So let's go ahead and look and see what we got. So we've got a pork roast, 2 pork roasts, pork tenderloin right there, thing of bacon, and that looks like a huge, what is that? You know what it is for you, a pork butt roast. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to have to cut that up to get it in the freeze dryer, but that'll go in pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to take these and cook them. I'll have to think through that, but what I'm going to do is put those pork chops in the freezer over there. When I get done packing them, I've got this double reach-in stainless, and that's the racks I put them on. So I'll put them in that rack and let them freeze solid, and then I'll put them in the freeze dryer, which will freeze it again. And so I'll get all the pork chops done in one run, and then I'll keep you updated on what's happening on the rest of it. Okay, Jason, here's the second tray, and I've got 2 more pork chops left over that I couldn't get on the tray, and plus they were frozen at the time. They've just now thawed out. So that was all the pork chops you saw. That's 2 trays worth. So what I'll do is I'll probably not freeze dry. I don't know if I will. I may freeze dry those other 2. If I don't, I will just keep those 2 and give you 2 extra freeze dries. So we'll split these 50-50, and I'm going to freeze dry my half as well and put them in the storage, and then I'll substitute. If I don't freeze dry these other 2 over here, if I don't freeze dry these 2, then I'll may just cook these, and then I will give you 2 extras off of my tray, freeze dried, when I package them up. Okay, man, you're probably thinking after I showed you what I was looking at, where's the rest of that pork, Jake? There was more pork than that. And I forgot when I was sorting through it. I threw some of it in here so I could get to the rest of it. So there's there's two packs of those ribs, and I'm going to put those in raw and freeze dry them as well. So hopefully they'll do okay. We'll see. I'll probably should be able to get those on 1 or 2 trays. Okay, so this is the one thing of spare ribs, and this is the package of country style ribs in this pan. So I thought I'd take a video of it because I can't put that plastic in there as a label. It's liable to melt when it does heat up, but we'll know which one's which. I could just show it to you, you would know. Oh, wait a minute, these things actually come apart there. Do they? Yes. I thought they were one piece, so they're probably frozen. I'm going to take those, separate that. Or is it? Anyway, I'll figure it out, and I'll get it on the tray, and then we'll just split those 50-50. You'll get one, I'll get one, you get one, and I'll get one. So, anyway. Okay, looking at that pork tenderloin, I'm going to go ahead and put that in with the spare ribs because there's enough room on the tray with it. So I thought I'd slide that in there. Okay, Jason, what I put the big I don't know what that was, a shoulder. I had to go back and look at the big hunk of meat. I put that in my freezer. I took the 5 packages of sausage and put them in the freezer, and the bacon. There's 1 package of bacon. So I will figure out. I'm probably going to see if I can cook a sausage, slice them up in rounds, cook it, and freeze dry it. See if that's going to work. I might just test a small amount of it before I do the whole thing like that. So, all right,